Hi, my name is Zoha, and welcome to Zoha Crochets. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to crochet. So to start, you're going to need some yarn and a crochet hook, and you're also going to need some scissors. I'm using some Dollar Tree yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. So to start, we're going to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you first hold the yarn. How I learned how to do it is that the pinky finger and ring finger hold the yarn, index finger controls the tension, then the middle finger and thumb are going to pinch on it. Then you're going to make a loop right here, and you're going to stick your crochet hook in it. Then you're going to grab the yarn, and you're going to pull it through. The motion of grabbing the yarn is called yarn over. Okay, so then you tighten the knot, and you just made a slip knot. Now we're going to chain. To chain, you grab the yarn, and you're going to push it through the loop. Let's do it again. Grab the yarn and push it through the loop. You just made 2 chains. So I'm gonna make 10 chains, and I'll see you there. There, I made 10 chains. You're gonna make the desired length and then 1 extra chain. Now you made that 1 extra chain, and now I'm gonna teach you how to single crochet. If you look closely at your project, you're gonna see some V's. So at the near end side of your crochet hook, you're gonna put your hook in the second V. First is fine, but I'd suggest the second. You're gonna put it in, then you're gonna grab the yarn and push it through one of the loops on your chain. If you push it through both of the loops, then what you just did would be called a slip stitch. Now you're going to grab the yarn and pull it through both loops. Let's do that again. You're going to stick it in the next V, not the second one, the next one. You're going to grab the yarn and pull it through. You've got 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through 2. I'm going to finish the chains, and I'll see you there. Okay, I finished the rest of the chains, and now I've just made the first row. Now what you're gonna do next is that you just finished. Now your project probably looks something like this. Well, just remember, you always work right to left. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna chain 1. In case you don't remember a chain, what you do is that you grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Now you're going to flip your project so that you're going to be working right to left. Now what you're going to do is, instead of sticking your hook through one loop, you're going to stick it through the full V at the top. Now you're going to grab the yarn, you're going to pull it through. That motion, the grabbing the yarn motion, is called yarn over. So then you're going to do yarn over, and then you're going to pull it through both of the loops. Let's do that again. Stick it through the entire V. Grab the yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both of the loops. I will finish the row, and I'll see you there. Okay, I just finished the second row, and your thing will look something like this. So to continue your project, you're going to do the same steps as the second row over and over again. So you can pause the video right now and do that now. Okay, so now that you paused your video and finished your project, I'm going to show you how to cast off. To cast off, you're gonna start by grabbing your scissors and cutting. And now look closely. I'm gonna just pull it out and tighten by pulling, and you just made your first project. That's it, everybody. Bye.